Okay, let's get to it. Control standby. So get status. Okay, great. All right, where are we at? Okay, so we are seeing contribute readme MD. This is failing on line 217. Okay, so checkout base is failing. So let's just run. Let's just do system bash cd reports directory. Oh, oops. Dash dash c. Let's see. cd get the directory. Okay. Exec dash. Okay. Let's try that. Okay. We have a shell. Okay, so we're in this if HTTP. I don't know why we don't seem to be getting all the output. That doesn't make sense, but whatever. Okay, so need that MD. Did it make the file? Okay, my project's awesome readme, so it did create the file. Sweet. Sound like a Earl Grey Rasa here. Love that. Stevia. It's delicious. Oat milk creamer. Okay. So then it gets mad about get status. Okay, on branch main. And now it's going to be like, well, you can't check out main, get check out main. Okay, yeah. Get on branch main, so it's already on branch main. So let's just do so contribute readme MD. Okay, so we don't even need to do the base. We just need to do checkout from the base. And then we can create the new branch. These things readme to do name. This is a good one. I'm saving this. Okay. Quick pop. shell from Python. 3 equals. Okay. Okay, let's remove that. Remove these extra commas. Commit message. Commit message. Readme commit message. Readme commit message. Issue URL. Readme issue. Readme issue. Issue copy. Readme issue. Readme issue. Readme issue. Client. Okay. Main is not a commit. Okay. So if there is no, so git null commit. Git empty commit. Create an empty commit. Allow empty. Okay, so where's our create? Okay. Created branch. Right. So it's pretty non-controversial. Commit message. Create branch. It's useless, but is what it is. We need something on there. Okay. Main is not a commit. Okay. So what are we passing in? Okay. 220. It's not a commit. Contribute AMD. Okay. So git checkout base. Alright, so here's where we are. Git status. No commits yet. Alright, so why aren't there any commits yet? So what happened when we did? Okay, on branch main. So, okay, so there's nothing. There's just no commit, so you can't even check out off of it. Okay. So, add readme. Okay, so you create the repo, then you go to add the readme. Okay. You check it out, but there's no commit. Okay, so okay. Okay, so where was my bash? Okay, so let's do git checkout base. Okay, so we will try. We'll need to. I'll need to. I hope we can still. Great. Okay, so here's what we're going to try. We're going to try checking it out, and then multiple ends. Okay. Okay, so return results. So if okay, so try that. Check out B base. And it's a process.std out. Okay. Okay, so what's it gonna say? Check out main. So main is not a commit and a branch. So this is probably being printed to standard error. Right, so if event is standard error and is not a commit and a branch in result. So check error in if is result. So they'll or let's see, retry with this one, we don't have to do the more complicated command. We can just pass it directly to run command. All right, so we try it. If it's standard error, then we retry. To retry without explicit branch when repo has no commits. Okay. We'll have to figure out self. I was trying to play with how we can map that. Okay. Okay, check out main. Okay. So 221. Okay. Runtime error. Okay, so it's still runtime errors us. And if util subprocess run command events. Excuse me. Raise on failure. Okay. Bool equals true. And then we'll do and so raise on failure equals false. If event is subprocess, else and then we'll read if mel. So now we reference the file that we were just in. And we say, okay, it looks like it's going to yield standard error. So we want this elif to be if event is standard error, because events is the event that it's yielding to the caller. Okay, so okay, so we want subprocess.completed. Okay, so if event is subprocess.completed, then we say result if result not equal 0, raise okay, raise runtime error, failed to create repo. Create branch or readme contribution. create branch for contribution because I know I'm going to forget that one. Okay, so let's see. So the meta issue, everything seems happy now. So right, so let's say, what does contribute readme say? Okay. Yeah, wait a minute, did I not see a stack trace fly by? No, okay, so find output. Okay, it should be sorted by date, right? No, it's not. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So that's why that was confusing earlier. Okay. Now what did we do to make that happen again? Oh yeah, we just did that should go in trunks too. Alright, and let's just do the whole node long command. Alright, capture output of shell cd error and out to file by stamp. Combine with bash history to create Alice cursory as fully connected view. Okay, so inputs. Okay, so process. Okay, so let's expand this a little more. Okay. So it runs this checkout main. It says standard error read line is not a commit and a branch could not be created from it. And then it says outputs none. Okay. Let's see if it has any standard error. No, it doesn't. Okay, checkout. It cannot be created from it. Okay. There's not a branch. Alright, fuck it. Where are you? Any event. All right, you're not triggered. Where are you? All right, okay, so bring me in the loop. Okay, so friends checkout. It says me cannot be created from it. Results. Okay. Failed to create branch for contribution. Is that really happening though? Because I don't see that actually raising. It's not fair. Okay, so I should say okay, didn't see that. So event in subprocess. Does this end? Okay. What do you mean? So is this getting an event that's saying it's over? It's not. Why is it not run command events? Okay. Standard error in events. Standard out in events. Event in events. Okay, so standard error. Okay, so we have to pass events explicitly. Where is events? Events. Okay. Okay. Log command event. Okay. Events. I swear I've used this. Okay. Events is subprocess completed. Subprocess standard error. Command events. Events. All right, so yeah, so we have to add them to this allow list of events that we want to receive. Okay. Okay. Subprocess. Byte-size object is required. Okay, contribute readme. Okay, so switch to a new branch. Alright, great. Switch to a new branch. So great. So it did. It switched to a new branch. And then it ran. It had the readme and it committed. Did it commit? Switch to a new branch. Okay, it's not. Oh. Logger equals self.logger. We gotta find a better way to do this so that I'm not forgetting to pass the logger every 2 seconds. Okay. So it says readme check. Readme. Okay, so right. Okay, so add readme. So let's see. So committing readme. All right. So util subprocess. Okay, so run command events allow for caller to manage erasing on completion. Exit code failure. All right. This is great after so. Okay, so all right, so so Alice, please contribute. Successful commit of readme.md.